SAP ABAP, OO ABAP, final class and final method. Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to talk about the final class and the final method. A class when defined as final cannot have any subclasses, okay? And if you declare a method as final, you cannot redefine that same method in the subclass. Okay, so without wasting time, let me get started. I'll declare a local class, a superclass, okay? And in the public section, I'm going to declare a method, okay, as a display, okay? And I will try to make a subclass for this superclass as sub definition end class, okay? And let me implement this LCL underscore super, okay, because I have a method called display in that, okay? So inside this implementation, let me try to implement my method display, okay? I'll just, for the time being, I'll keep it simple. I'll write something like display method, okay? So if I make this LCL underscore super class as a final class, okay, I'll try to define it as a final class, okay? So now I'm trying to inherit LCL underscore sub inherits from LCL underscore super class, okay? Because it's a final class, LCL underscore super is a final class, okay? You cannot have a subclass for the same class. Okay, now here I'm going to make a subclass LCL underscore sub for the LCL underscore super class. Okay, let me check the syntax here. As you can see, the final class LCL underscore super cannot have any subclasses. Okay, so you cannot declare a class final and you can and just try to create a subclass for the same. Okay, so let me remove this final keyword from here and check the syntax now. Okay, so now it is syntactically correct. Okay, now the second thing is that I'll try to make this method as final. Okay, and now I will try to, okay, let me declare the public section here, methods display redefinition. Okay, with redefinition you're going to redefine this superclass method in the subclass. Okay, so I'm going to try to do that. Okay, because this is a final method in the superclass, you will not be allowed to redefine it in the subclass. Let me check the syntax first. See, as you can see here, the final method display cannot be redefined. You cannot redefine a method which is final in the superclass. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. Keep watching.